Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have another birthday entry for you. This is for, or I should say this is from Susan Guerrero from Hawaii. Susan and I actually did a swap together in the summertime. It was a waterfall embellishment swap. It was so fun. And I was so happy to see that she had entered. For those of you that aren't aware, I do have a lot of new subscribers, and I wanted to let you know that I do have a birthday challenge going on right now until the end of September. So there's still plenty of time for you to enter, and it's really easy. I'll leave the video below that talks about what the challenge is all about and how to enter. So let's open up Susan's package. Okay, so we have this right here. We have, it looks like we have a card. And oh my goodness, we have this right here. Okay, let's see. Oh, look how pretty that is. The packaging is so pretty. Okay, let's open up the card first. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to look at all of the stuff she sent. Okay, so look how pretty the card is. I love how she did the torn paper there. So pretty. It says hello fall, so it looks like we're gonna have a fall theme for this one. Okay, and oh, so sweet. Thank you so much, Susan. So she's really excited to enter the challenge giveaway, and it's the first time that she's done something like this. So Susan, I'm so honored that you chose me to be the first person that you entered a challenge for. Thank you so much. Okay, and then also, and let me show you her, did I show you her really pretty card? It's so beautiful. And I love this fall theme with this purple. Okay, oh, and then this is her ATC card, and she even packaged it really cute. So let me open it with you so you can see how she Velcroed it, and she put it in this really cute packaging. It's like a thick plastic. That is such a good idea. And then she even cut out letters. That is so cute. And then she has this beautiful ATC card. And this is actually looks like a real dried flower. And it looks like, is it a terrarium up in the top? A beautiful fox, feathers. I love it so much. She lists her address for me, and then her favorite color is pink. Her birthday is February 23rd, and she does have an Instagram. It's Hello Pretty in Pink, which I will be linking below in case you want to follow Susan. She's so talented and she's so nice. Let's see. This little card came in here. It looks like maybe a cutout card or something, and it says, smell the sea, feel the sky, let your soul and spirit fly. I love that. That's beautiful. So that came with her ATC card. And then let's see, we'll start off with this right here. Look how pretty. I love that. I love that color. I love this little envelope. Oh my gosh, you sent so many extras, Susan. Let's see, my hubby's downstairs calling me. He's gonna come up here and be like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were making a video. I love acorns, you guys. Look how pretty this acorn bell is. So like, for those of you that don't know and you're new to the channel, I absolutely love woodland creatures, woodland animals, woodland theme. Like baby deer are my absolute favorite. I love foxes. I love little squirrels. I just love little baby animals. I also love Aurora, aka Sleeping Beauty from Disney. And I love her because the fact that she is out in the forest with all the little, you know, woodland creatures all the time. Another thing that I love in that same theme is acorns. They're like my favorite. I think they're so cute. And this bell is so pretty. I love that. And then she also sent some beautiful foiled pumpkin ribbon. That is so pretty. It's like a brown ribbon, and then it's got orange foiled pumpkins. And then she sent this beautiful sequin mix. Look at those colors, so beautiful for fall and matches some of the items that she sent. That is so pretty. Oh, and look how she did the top. Look at those roses. Those are beautiful. She also sent some washi tape, so you can see the beautiful feathers and foil and the diamonds, and I don't know what those shapes are called, but it is so pretty. I love that color scheme. She also sent, oh, these are adhesive patches. These are so cute. I love the pumpkin and I love the owl. Look at her cheeks. That is so cute. Okay, and then let's see here. Here we have a beautiful little notepad. Oh my gosh, I just love that. That is so pretty. She used the washi tape there. That's gorgeous. That is so pretty. Oh, look. She included a Sizzix die, and let's see here. This is called, let's see what this is called, because up here it says thanks a latte. Yeah, that's what it's called, thanks a latte. Oh my gosh, Susan, thanks a latte for this. It's so cute, and look at how it has all the little cutouts with the like little acorns and pumpkins. I don't know what that is right there. Let's see really quick. It looks like it's turned backwards. Oh, that's pretty. So it actually says thanks a latte, but of course it's backwards because of how it's going to print out. So that is so cool. Oh my gosh. And it's one of those ones where it's an embossing folder and it's also a die at the same time. So that is so nice. Thank you so much, Susan. That is so fun. Yeah, it's one of those cut and emboss ones. Okay, and then here, let's see what we have. Are these some cutouts? These look like some cutouts. These are pretty. Let me see if I can open these. Oh, I can't open these. They're stapled shut. But they look like there's some like bag topper cutouts, which are so pretty in the same fall theme. And look at the big acorns. Look at that, like it's like vellum paper that she used. It's so pretty. Okay, and then let's see. We're gonna go with this one next. Wow, Susan, you went crazy. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. There's one more thing in that bag that I missed. So this is a pretty pen, Crystal VE pen. It's all beautiful. Look how pretty that pen is, and it looks like it comes with a refill. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Via Beautiful, is that what it says? Via Beautiful. And I think that's what it says over here. Yeah, viabeautiful.com. What a beautiful pen. Thank you so much. And then here we have this package, and it's Velcroed shut. Look how pretty that is. She has it all popped up. Again, with this plastic, and she sewed it. This is like, okay, this is acetate. And look how she sewed it all pretty. That's beautiful. So she made like a beautiful homemade envelope. And let's see what we have. So here's her little paper collection, and look how pretty these are, you guys. So she has the looks like she cut out some of the paper collection that she used and maybe used like glossy accents or something to seal it in there in those bottle caps. And then it looks like she put some of the plastic bails, like she glued them on the back, so you can use these as charms on tassels or on like your charm dangles. That is so pretty. Then here she made some beautiful shakers. Oh my gosh, I love this color of blue. It's so pretty. Look at those. And I love how she did the hearts, or I'm sorry, the bows at the bottom. Those are gorgeous. And then here she did one of those really pretty big chunky gold paper clips. And here she has some leaf sequins and some rose charms. And it looks like she cut out a couple of really pretty pumpkins from the paper here. So let's look at the paper. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so pretty. Like the texture of it's so interesting. That's really pretty. And I love the wood grain. Oh, and I love the acorns. This is so beautiful. I love the plaid. This is such a beautiful color palette. Look at the feathers. I love feathers, you guys. I love Southwestern. I love boho, like that's, and woodland, like that's me, my style. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this beautiful vellum paper. And then here's her specialty papers, a beautiful bronze and a beautiful, like, it's like a gold orange. It's really pretty. I don't know if it's coming across on camera that way, but it's really, really pretty. So there's those papers, and we've got over here, we have one more, and it looks like she made some embellishments. So let's open this up. Let me get this open. There we go. So here she made this absolutely adorable little charm. Look at that little felt flower. That is so pretty. I love that color. One of my favorite colors in the fall. This together with mustard yellow is so pretty. She's got a feather and some dangled beads. And then if you take this off, she has this gorgeous, oh my gosh, we're gonna have to take that out. And this one, and this one. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So she did another waterfall setup on this one. Okay, let me see. We are gonna take this off. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful raccoon. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, that's so pretty. We'll look at this one too. Here we have this beautiful owl. Oh my gosh, look at her cheeks and her eyelashes. She's so cute. And it says thankful. Look how chunky that is. That is so pretty. And then we also have this gorgeous little fox here. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, Susan. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much. So everybody, that was Susan Guerrero. Please look down below for her information so that you can follow her on Instagram. She is also in the paper art swaps group with me. So you could interact with her there and maybe be lucky enough to be partnered up in a swap with her. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.